Read password from stdin. Scenario, an interactive Python program that is in need for a password. That means also, there's no GUI solution possible. In Bash I could get a password read-in without re-prompting it on screen via. Is there something similar for Python? i.e. Alternative, replace the typed characters with before sending them back to screen, aka browser style.
Yes, get pass, prompt the user for a password without echoing.
Edit, I had not played with this module myself yet, so this is what I just cooked up. Wouldn't be surprised if you find similar code all over the place, though.
This is Python 3.x, use raw_input instead of input when using Python 2.x.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.